The phone is an interesting beast. You can't be afraid to pick it up. As my dad used to say, you got to dial for dollars. You can't be afraid of, the people that say no, because there's always going to be the next one that could say yes.
Dialing for dollars? I love that show. What's up, y'all? I'm Emmanuel Acho, your Simply Put host. This season, we're featuring the Armstrong Steel Company, specifically sales. We've been tackling huge issues revolving around sales and translating them into easy-to-understand and digest terms. I know I'm learning a lot. Now you're about to hear from Charlie Newton, a sales rep at Armstrong Steel, about life on the phones and the laptop. 3 words, always be closing. Right, Charlie? And keep an eye out for Fatima Mekkaoui, all-around Salesforce expert at Sales Cloud, who will help clarify things. Then, she'll walk us through a demo that will be a must-see for sales reps. Sound good? All right, over to you, Charlie.
We manufacture steel buildings for all comers. Somebody that wants a very large airplane hangar to somebody that's looking to build commercial contractor storage. My favorite part of the job is definitely being able to work with different clients, helping them create their vision and understanding what they want is the absolute utmost important thing that we do. I think the biggest thing that makes me effective is being able to design the project the way they need it to be done, whether it be down to the last ½ inch in a size range or that every door and window is placed in the right spot. Simply put, my job is to listen to people and help them design the building structure that they need and they want to have for 50 years.
Sales reps like Charlie have limited time to make a big impact with customers. Today, they need new ways to connect. That's why it's so important for them to have tools like Sales Cloud that bring intelligence and insights into every interaction. Now reps can use every moment to their biggest advantage. With Sales Cloud, reps can stay focused on customer conversations wherever those conversations take place, from video conferencing to real-life meeting rooms.
Without Salesforce, we would be completely lost every day because it keeps all of our leads that we're working on in an organized manner. Being able to understand what folks are looking for, getting the search terms, and being able to kind of have a background picture before we even dial the phone helps to really understand what questions to ask.
These days, reps need to develop deeper relationships with customers. They can do that in Sales Cloud. Let's say Charlie is looking for the best ways to focus his time today. His managers gave him a leg up with AI. Charlie's territory was mapped out for him with logical, flexible structures. Now he can work in the places most likely to grow revenue. And when it's time to talk with a customer, he can use any video conferencing platform and have a more engaging conversation with his camera and presentation in the same view. Bottom line, Charlie knows how to connect with a person before he even reaches out.
Salesforce Lightning has helped us immensely. Instead of just working through one long list of phone calls and having to remember by hand or notes or sticky notes all over your desk, being able to organize my calls from the Eastern Seaboard across, since we get into the office at 8 a.m., I don't want to be calling Hawaii when I walk in the door. So being able to get to as many people as possible in an efficient manner helps to create a quicker sales cycle, because the faster you can get through the folks that are gonna say no, the sooner that you can get to the yes.
A quicker sales cycle. That's what every sales leader wants and what every rep wants to deliver. Here's how Sales Cloud makes the sales cycle faster for Charlie and his leaders as they develop new methods for managing, understand the new scope of selling, and learn new ways to connect. First, built-in CRM insights help the team develop customer relationships through every type of interaction, whether virtual or face-to-face. Second, the team can sell new products with new messaging and methods quickly because of Sales Cloud's flexible and scalable platform. And third, the sales leaders can align, manage, and motivate their teams with collaboration tools and Trailblazer best practices, no matter where they work from. The results? A faster time to value for Armstrong Steel and a skilled up sales team. I'd call that a win.
That is a wrap on our series featuring Armstrong Steel. Now, I don't know about you, but I learned a ton about sales and how hard and challenging it is. But I also discovered how Salesforce Sales Cloud can make life easier for everyone on the sales side, But hey, we aren't done. We'll be back soon to check out another innovative company doing amazing things. Thanks for watching this season of Simply Put. I'm Emmanuel Acho.